Hello everyone, good morning to the virtual classes presented by Jet Kids International School Pusat. Hope you all guys are very fine, taking very good care of yourself. Let us move towards the next topic of lesson number 5, that is circulatory system and excretory system. Okay, as you all know, from last few days we are discussing this lesson, and today's subtopic, today we will be discussing the parts of circulatory system. In the previous video you might have learned, or you might have get the knowledge regarding what the circulatory system is. Okay, I told you many things. Circulatory system is very important system of the body, and what is the function of circulatory system? Still today, with the help of the parts of circulatory system, we people will understand what is the exactly function of circulatory system in our body. Okay, so let us move. While discussing the parts of circulatory system, first of all, as I circulatory system made up of three main parts. First the heart, then the blood, and third the blood vessels. These three important parts makes a circulatory system. Okay, let us see what is heart, what is the function of heart, and everything in detail. Okay, so while discussing the parts of the circulatory system, first of all, heart. Okay, the heart you can say. See, as you all know, many people used to say this word heart. Okay, heart should be healthy. Keep walking for your heart, for the health of your heart. Your heart must be healthy. So, what exactly the organ heart is? Let me tell you, the heart is a muscular organ. Okay, the heart is a muscular organ which pumps blood to the entire parts of the body. Okay, heart is a muscular organ which pumps blood to the entire organs of the body. Okay, it is located in the chest, slightly left. It is located in the chest, slightly left, and the heart used to pump blood to the entire parts of the body. Okay, first the heart is pumping blood into the larger blood vessels which branch into smaller ones to reach all the organs of the human body. Okay, as we have already discussed this part in the previous video as well. The function of the heart is to pump blood to the entire organs of the body. Okay, secondly, what is the next part, that is blood vessels. The very important role blood vessels needs to play in the circulatory system. Okay, so next part is blood vessels. The heart, muscular organ. That pumps blood. Okay, that is very important for you. Muscular organ that pumps blood. Now, second is blood vessels. The very important role that blood vessels needs to play in the circulatory system, as I told you. So, blood vessels are thin tube-like structure. Blood vessels are thin tube-like structure which carry blood from heart to the entire organs of the body or to entire parts of the body. Okay, blood used to pumped by the heart. Okay, heart pumps the blood, and the blood which pumped by the heart will be carried by the blood vessels. And reaches to the entire other parts of the body. Okay, as I told you earlier, all the organs in our body needs blood, and blood is circulating in the body. That's why the system is called circulatory system. Blood needs to circulate into the entire parts of the body, and that what is carried, the blood vessels carry the blood and provide to the other parts of the body. Okay, the function of the blood vessels is thin tube-like structure that start from the heart. Okay, these blood vessels start from the heart and run through the entire body or through entire body, forming a network, you can say. Okay, the blood vessels start from the heart and run through the entire body, forming a network, a good network, by which the entire other body parts will get blood or they will be supplied with the blood. Okay, that is the function of the blood vessels. Now, blood vessels are also having three types. Blood vessels are also having three types. First of all, arteries, veins and capillaries. Okay, so we'll see arteries first. Blood vessels, thin tube-like structure. Blood vessels are nothing but thin tube-like structures. Now, three parts of blood vessels. First, arteries. Second, veins. Third, capillaries. These are the three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. Okay, now let us see what these three types of blood vessels are. Okay, as you all know, there are three types of blood vessels. Blood vessels are nothing but the thin tube-like structures which carry blood from the heart and provide to all other parts of the body. Now, what exactly the arteries perform, what exactly the veins perform, capillaries perform. So first of all, these two are very simple, very simple. Okay, arteries carry blood from heart to different parts of the body. Okay, see, we all know that blood vessels are the thin tube-like structures which used to carry blood from the heart and to provide other parts of the body. So from that, there are three types of blood vessels. So first part of the blood vessels, or first type of blood vessels, that is arteries. Arteries carry blood from heart to the different parts of the body. Veins, exactly opposite by the arteries. Different parts of the body carry blood from different parts of the body to heart. Different parts to the heart. Here both the things are opposite, right? What exactly arteries perform? They carry blood from the heart to different parts, and veins carry blood from different parts to the heart. So very easy to understand as well. Am I right? And now third are capillaries. Capillaries are nothing but the smallest blood vessels, we can say. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels, and they used to exchange the gases. Water and nutrients between the blood and the tissues. Okay, the function of the arteries. Capillaries, smallest, and exchange gases. The function of these capillaries are they are the smallest blood vessels and exchange gases, water and nutrients. Water and nutrients. To between blood vessels, between blood and the tissues, we can say between blood and the tissues. Smallest blood vessels that exchange gases, water and nutrients to blood and tissues. Right or no? To blood and tissues. Okay, this is the function of capillaries. Okay, so arteries, veins and capillaries, these are the functions of these blood vessels in the circulatory systems. Hope you all understand it very well. Okay, so the part of the circulatory system that blood vessels and heart. So now blood. Okay, last is blood. You all know the blood is nothing but the red fluid which used to transport in a circulatory system with the help of the blood. With the help of the heart. Blood is a red fluid which used to pump by the heart and transport to the other parts of the body. Blood also transport the nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide and all the important factors from the food we eat. Okay, blood is nothing but the red color fluid used to circulate in our body with the help of blood vessels, pumps by the heart. Blood also transport the important nutrients, vitamins, oxygen, minerals from the food we eat. Okay, that is blood all about, you all know. So this is the parts, these are the parts of the circulatory system which we have studied today. Hope you all are very clear with all the concepts which we have discussed today. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day ahead. Bye.